Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. This is the 2025 Honda Pilot. I'm going to show you what to do if you have a model that has the power tailgate on it. Dead giveaway is that it has this sticker on it. That's one of the ways you can know. But what do you do if you come back here and you kick your foot, or maybe you swipe your foot across and nothing happens? Well, I'm going to show you what to do. And before I do, just for the fun of it, because I know how people are, I'm going to show you up there, hopefully you can see it, that this is indeed a 2025 model, because somebody will probably say something in the comments section if I don't. But here's what you're going to do. In fact, let me get back to the main screen here. You're going to come into your screen, you're going to go into vehicle settings, and then we're going to scroll over one screen, and we're going to click on Power Tailgate Setup, or select it. Maybe that's a better way to put it. And right down here at the bottom, hands-free access function. That's turned off right now. So I'm going to switch that to on, and just to show you that that indeed did work, we're going to go back to the rear of the vehicle back here and let you see that this is now working, no problem. There you go. So don't panic if your power tailgate isn't opening. That is the easiest way and most common way you're going to fix it. If you have a certain tutorial you would like to see on any Honda vehicle or anything else, tell me down in the comments section. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Bye-bye.